Duckies. Oh, he's here. I'm just waiting for confirmation. Oh, there I am. Watch out. Okay, we're testing and you know okay. Very good. Audio test complete. I copy and paste link for YouTube stream and the tweet tours, and then I test link. Okay, link works. Link workage. What's up, Mike? How you doing? How you doing, my dude? My dudes. Okay, today I'm making trains. I made one already for the thumbnail, so I kind of already know how big they are, but... Yeah, also, what is this nonsense? I don't... Go away! Oh, no, it's fine. Why does it seem like there's still fog? I don't know, it's weird. Would it... Hold up. I turned my view distance up to medium because otherwise it didn't render things properly for the thumbnail. I don't know. Alright, anyway. Have to go to school in a bit. Hey, no problemo, my friend. Appreciate you stopping by, though. Big shout out. Big appreciate. You're pretty cool. You're a cool bird, dude, mans. Hope you have a good time at school. Get that educations. And make sure you graduate and pass. Go for it, my friend. Go for it indeed. Also, I'm a freaking idiot. I could have finished this thing last time. I completely forgot we had this. On the last episodes of Satisfactory. Yeah, that rhymed with Dragon Ball Z. But anyway. I'll let it do its thing.
Milestone reached. Pipelines and pipeline pumps can now be upgraded to Mark II. They are like Mark I, but better. Pipes seem to be objects of fascination to humans. In fact, there are reported instances of humans doing nothing but thinking about pipes for hours.
Okay. Listen, don't judge human beings. We chill, we have a good time, we live life. Shut your face. Got him. On the last episodes of Satisfactory, we did stuff. What the frick? That was a leaf. This is a question you don't have to answer, Mike, but what grade are you in, eh? If you don't mind me asking. You know, I don't want to be too personal. I'm just make conversation. I like to try and get to know people, but, you know. Yeah, I like doing stuff. Yeah, on the last episodes, we made these freaking complex things that are great, but they're not great. They're really cool, you know, they transport things wirelessly, but they're also really annoying because you can't export out of them. Grade 11? Oh, sugoi. Very nice. And yeah, we did get these. They're nice because yeah, you don't really need to have stuff in your inventory, but they're annoying because it's like, okay, you should be able to export out them. You should be able to like transport them from across the freaking universe, but you know, it's fine. I need to get more spheres because I'm not doing that today, but again, the main thing is trains, but we need to eventually upgrade, so I need like 20 spheres because I don't know what this does. Enables uploading from the inventory. We can already do that, so I'm thinking there's something else. I don't know what that means. But yeah, we want to increase upload speed, which means it imports faster. And we also want to increase stackage, yeah. Which means it can hold more. Hiccups, that's cool. So, I don't know, we need like 10, 13, 16. We need like 16 to, I kind of want, not today, but, you know. do all this nonsense. Also, we're gonna go back to the SAM area, and I guess I don't need to, but I'm going to. We're gonna go back to the SAM area later, not now, and do a constructor for the Madongers. It means you can put items in the depots from your inventory, but we can already do that though. Like, watch. See, if I, you know, say take this out of here, right? Oh, from your inventory, right? Duh, it's fine. Right, I literally said, I said that last time too. I'm a freaking idiot. Okay, yeah, duh. It literally says that at the bottom too. Unlocked by researching manual. It's fine. Anyway, trains. So let's do some of that. I mean, dimensional transporters are cool and all, but we don't exactly have infinite spheres, so for Madongers such as these, I'm going to, one sec, I need more bombs. Also, once again, big shout out to our friend Jad from the chat, who left a link showing, yeah, it's fine. He left the link showing, how to do the hypertube thing properly, which is fine. But I don't know. Like, you can definitely launch yourself across the map, which is fine, but I don't know. Kind of like just kind of going into a tube for like a minute and just chillaxing, you know? Kind of just chillax. Okay. Holy frickage. Oh, we don't really need that. Oh. What does this need? Coal. Okay, so this is where this is going to come in handy. This is where it's going to coal in hand. No, that's a terrible joke. I swear I thought we had more black powder, but apparently not. Can't you, why do you, do you have to, I always forget, do you have to make them in the assembler? I don't remember. I'm pretty sure you can make them somewhere. I think in the equipment thing. But I don't know. Yeah, right here. So there's that. You just need coal and sulfur. So, I don't know, maybe we want like a... If we can get more Mercer stuff, we can do an... It's fine. I'm gonna just craft up some more stuff. More bombs. More damage coming up. We have 5, let's get like 45. This episode brought to you by like and subscribe button. Check them out, they're free. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs before the end of January. So feel free to check those out if you want to support the channel and help us get to that. We're cool people, so yeah, you know. I think it's worth it, maybe. I don't know. Check out channel and let us know. You can also become a member of the channel to support the channel by other means, but that's once again up to you. I don't know. Oh, that's full. It's fine, we need this. So if we want to make trains, we need lots of steel. If we want to do this, we need the... We have concrete, what the frick? I guess it just shows that it's purple because it's in the system too. Have you started making power with fuel? Yeah, we got 3 fuel generators. We got 3 fuel powered generators. I mean, we have coal generators, but we have 3 things being powered by fuel, so. Oh boy, max consumption. We're gonna want to make more power. How much? I didn't actually check. Oh, 50. Oh no. Okay. Gonna have to just take a bit of a run to the old power area. So you can't well, we can do trains, but we need to I need to, yeah. On the last episodes we also did some of this action. Any second now. There we go. We sped up that. Trains need a lot of power, sometimes 200 megawatts. Yeah. I may or may not make another fuel generator, or because we have so much excess oil, so I could probably make another refinery and get even more fuel going to get another fuel generator going and do all that. Yes, also I thought the way our friend Jad was talking about was that what. Alright, preemptively, I think I want to put a wall there. This way we don't go flying. That did not happen last time, but we didn't have as many outputs there. So yeah, I thought that's what the quote-unquote hypertube launcher was, but no, they showed us a video, or a short, and no, they literally, quite literally meant a launcher. Like, you can frickin' yeet yourself across the map. We have the jetpack, so we can do that, but I'm gonna not do that yet. As nice as that is, again, I like to I like to just kind of, you know, sit for a minute and just have a nice little area to chill on, you know. Nothing wrong with yeeting yourself across the map. That's entirely up to you, but and you're gonna just safety, you know. That should unless if by physics that bounces us off, which is entirely possible. But I'm gonna hope that doesn't happen. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do another I'm pretty sure actually we still have excess oil. I can also overclock these if we were to. I didn't bring things, but we could overclock these. I don't even know how much fuel we're making. Frick. You don't get fall damage exiting a tube? Ah. Well, even still, I don't want to yeet myself too far. So, we have 2 refineries making 80 fuel. Each one of these makes 20. Yeah, it needs 20. So 2, 4, 6. Oh, we have 80. Also, we have this, because this, I don't think you were here for this, Mike, but I did make this, which is making heavy oil residue into fuel. So that's extra. I cannot put another frick where to. I need more. I might need to make a second floor here. I can either overclock one of these for no, it's fine. I'll just. Yeah. You can add 3 more. I can add 3 more? Wait, really? Well, we're making what, 160? Oh yeah. Well, no. Because we're making 80. 80 fuel plus this. Oh, I guess that's another 40, but the problem, oh no, I mean, that's keeping up. I'm just worried this won't keep up, because we only have like 2 machines doing heavy oil, I think. Yeah, we have that one, so 20 per minute. And then I think this one. No, not that. No. This one. Yeah, 20, so we're making 30 heavy oil per minute. And that requires, I think it's at, what, at 60? Or 4, yes, this needs double that, so it needs 60 per minute, we're only making 30. So I don't think, I'm not really relying on this right now. It's making 40 per minute, it says, but I don't know, I'm like, we're only making 30 heavy oil residue. So I don't know about that one. It's fine. We have, so I think I can only, 2, 4, 6, I think I can only place one more fuel thing. Underclock it at 50%, then you can do 2 more max. Yeah. Or I can also do 8 more coal generators and take up even more space over there. Because 8 times, you know, 8 times 75, that's also a decent amount of power, but I'd have to make 8 of those, and that would need more water extractors and stuff. What math? 75? Nah, ditch the coal. I mean, I'm gonna leave it there. There's no reason not to have it there. It's like, it's extra power, and it's not obstructing anything. But I mean, yeah, you know, fuel power generators are probably the way to go, because they make 250 per thing. And also, I guess, yeah, coal generators take up a lot of space. Yeah, 8 coal generators, 600 versus like 250 per thing, you know. You still have like 24 of those on your road, you just don't bother. I mean, I don't know, it's like, I'm kind of a person, it's like, once it's built, I kind of leave it, unless if it's like a major problem. You know, we're not losing anything from it. We have infinite coal, we have infinite water, it's, you know. You have 32? Frick, man, okay. I guess I'm gonna do some of this then. I'm just gonna make another floor. Or, yeah, no, yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah. Make another floor and then I can, like... Can I do this? Hang on. Will this work? I don't know, but... Missing silica. Of course we're missing silica, you frickin'... Where's the closest thing? Oh my lord, it's all the way over there. Of course it is. Oh yeah, also Mike, yeah, we went way north and we finally found Sam, yeah, so we have that now. Oh, this sucks. Whatever, I won't, it's fine. I'll do no elevator for right now. I'll do an elevator later. You can expand behind the generators? Oh yeah, you mean like right here? Yeah, I can do that. It's just I would have to then move the power poles and stuff. But yeah, I can do that. And then I also have to move this. But that's fine, that's fine. It works, it works. I can even move this. Actually, that works out, because then it's like less reason for the tube. If I'm honest. I need to, I want to get more dimensional. So I don't know. Like, basic stuff I feel like I can carry. So like concrete, probably don't need that kind of stuff on... Because I carry that with us anyway out of safety, but stuff like silica and whatnot, I could probably throw that in the dimensional chest. Because that's less stuff, that's stuff I'm not really gonna carry. What the frick? Oh. I mean, eventually we'll have dimensional madongers everywhere, but... And because it bothers me, I'm gonna plop a wall down here so it looks like it's actually on some sort of support and not just floating out of existence, you know? I like having a little bit of realism. Sucks you only can do 10, but, you know. As I always say, be grateful for what you have and greedy for what you don't. At least it allows us to do that. Nothing's ever gonna go down here, so I'm gonna just do that. Gotta go. Bye. Appreciate you stopping by and appreciate your help as always, my friend. Well, have a wonderful day at the school. You get them good grades. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, you think you can escape? Why are you not connecting? What are you doing? I don't need to do this, but it helps. Oh yeah, make some blueprints. I can do that. There we go. That was bothering me. It's fine. I gotta get it. I do gotta get in the habit of making blueprints. I know it'd be very helpful. Okay. Can this just reach over here? It can. Why is this even here then? Get out of here. Why, like, yeah, just do that. Okay. There we go. Again, kind of like a little, you know, support pillar. Oh, wait, is that in the air? That's in the air. There you go. There we go. That's fine. Doesn't need anything crazy. I was making it look a little nice-ish. Oh, there's copper here. That's nice. Not that we need copper, but it's there. Okie dokie, yoinkage. So the problem actually here... Problem with putting the fuel generator behind here. How do we... I guess I can swoop it around. Oh no, actually I could just, because they're all on the same line anyway, so I could just do a Madonger thing. What is, you need plastic? It's probably worth doing, but yeah, I could just do this. And then lead it around over here. Shablowski. What does the blueprint designers use to create custom factory designs? Say them as blueprints. Blueprints can be accessed from the blueprint tab in the menu. Edit. Add category. I don't know how this works. That's okay. Oh. New subcategory. Also test. What is it? Well, I don't... What? Okay. Clearly I am an idiot. You can also drag a blueprint here automatically. Okay. Well, let me... Maybe use the blueprint tool. I mean, I get what it does, I just don't know how it works. Blueprint. So I'm guessing I know that the buildings can be only placed. I'm assuming what it does is you place like this down, right? And then you build inside it, and then you set it, and then it saves. Because it has that terminal there, and then it does that. Yeah, that's probably what it is. That's fine. That's kind of useless for me, because I never really... I mean, occasionally, you know, stuff like that, yeah, sure, but... I don't know. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Shabooski hey, shabooski hey hey. Ba da da da. Okie dokie he's. I mean, is there any reason not to be we have so much plastic, I like... Sure. I don't see any reason not to, I guess. So, will doing this way work? You're not gonna go straight, you frickin' douchebag. Even that's not straight. That's fine, I guess. There you go. More power. More power. So, I mean, yeah, it's working. So, okay, so recap, we have 80... Yeah, we're making 80, essentially. So, Mike said underclock it by 50, oh, but then the power goes down. Is that worth doing, though? 50... How much fuel does that use then? Only uses 10 versus 2. I mean, I don't know. I think maybe I misunderstood what he meant. But hey, that's pretty cool. It's a lot of fuel now. It's not really gonna make a lot of fuel because we don't exactly have a heavy, lots of Take from inventory first. There we go. I should have done that. It's fine. It took from the internal storage, which actually seemed to fill up very fast. Interesting. So plastic is exiting from up here. So that should always pretty much be empty. So I think half of it, yeah. Half of it is going into here, and then half of it is going into this one. Yeah. Same thing with this. So this is basically filling up, and then the other is filling up that. Okay, let's make sure. May need to make another floor anyway, just for the refineries. But then we're gonna need a gigantic frickin'... Or I can make one over here. But then I gotta pipe it all the way around. I don't like pipage. I'm not a good plumber. I'm not the... I don't plumb dewage. You know? Well, the classic stream, we go into the stream doing one thing and then we kind of have to do another. I would like to do trains. I'm still going to do trains. It's just we need to make sure we're not losing lots of power. So we're generating 1,650, eh? Or sorry, I read that wrong. My brain went over here. I mean, we're not consuming max, so we're fine, but you always want to stay above. So 1,425, right? So what does all trains do? So the train itself, nickname Life, I don't know. Train station. One train station serves as a hub for locomotives, which can be set to navigate to and stop at a train station. You can connect power to a train station to power up the trains on the railway, as well as feed power to other stations. So that's just a stop, right? Empty platform creates empty space. Loads and unloads freight cars that stop at the freight platform. Loading and unloading options can be set, configuring the building. Okay. I don't think I'm ready for the whole freight cars yet. Truck station. Oh, yeah. We just want these. So I think we just need 2 train stations. Right? Like, that's where it does. And then how do we unload? I don't know how that works. Maybe you need a freight car. Moves freight cars. Well, there you go. Requires between 25 to under 10 power to move. Oh. So you need 100. I'm gonna always assume max. Just, you know, that's, you always want to assume max to add a safety. So 110, so 220 to move must be railway, yeah. Because you need 2 train stations. So out of safety, I'm just gonna say like 400 extra power we want to make right now. So it's kind of, yeah, it's like 200. I'm going to do another refinery then, because that seems like that's something we kind of have to do, which is fine. So I could just do a wall here. Got that over there. Man, I should have gone out with a little bit more. It's fine. I could just build up, I guess, right here-ish. Thankfully, we have infinite concrete, essentially. I need to get one on some iron platage. Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to make it look nice while also, you know, just speed running it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey bro, did you sleep? No, not yet. It's only 12 a.m. for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frick, did I? Also, what's up, Jad? How you doing? I saw you left that short link. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. Yeah, big preach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, oh, look at that. 15 exactly. Good stuff. Good, glad. I'll read it. Glad to read it. Love to read it, even. 1, 2. I'm just doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I need silica. Okay, I'm going back up. Okay. I'm taking something off. What do we not need? Reanimated Sam, we kind of need that on that. Well, we don't need it, but we do, but we gotta go back there anyway. Hope the little clip gave some ideas. It did. And it definitely helps. It's just, oh, I gotta do this. I was like, where's the tube? Transport. Come on. Are we too far? You freaking. Hold up. Might be too far. Oh no, you're just being stupid. Douchebag. Huh. We need a stronger jetpack. This is ridiculous. Waste of fuel. Okay. Over here. Yeah, that's fine. That should do. That should be more than enough space. 2 more generators. Yeah, that should be fine, hopefully. As we go, I'll place more, but it's fine. This is gonna have to move, isn't it? That one is in fact going to have to move. Okie dokies, you can go... Right here should be fine. Can always move it if need be, and then you can just stretch all the way over here. Where are you going? You're connecting to you, you're connecting to you, and you're also... Okay. There you go. What? Oh. Oh no, it's fine. It said latest videos, I was confused. On my phone. I thought it said reconnecting. I'm like, did the internet just go down? But no, we're fine. We're chilling. Okay. Fine. Fine. We're chilling. Okay. I get, you know, I'm just gonna... Because the other fuel generators are gonna go right here. I'm gonna be doing that anyway. Yeah, that's enough space. What's up? When you get packaging, you will be able to pack your liquid fuel. You can use that as jetpack. Better fuel. Oh, better. Oh, the better fuel causes better thrust. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. Good to know. Gotcha. All right. So let's see if I can what was it? Oh, I am already forgetting. What you put supports, was it? I think, and you like... I'm not trying to launch myself. As cool of an idea as that is. Yeah, as cool as of an idea as it is, I do kind of like to have just a normal tube. And then he said spaces apart, and then an entrance after each one. Or, so not that one, but that one. I think it was like that or something. I'm just trying to give us a bit of a sonic boost, so I don't know, I do this. Nope. There you go. And then, I'm just trying to give us a little boost, that's all. Don't need a super one, just as long as... Oh, I need to... Will that even work? Because, like, we're not... Well, screw it, going for it. I don't need a boost over here. It's fine. I don't know. Does that... Okay. And then I don't think this is gonna work, because there's not an entrance in that one thing. I only did it because we're going up. But it's fine. We don't... Yeah, I don't need these here. It's fine. It's fine. We're good. They cost 10 more megawatts. It's fine. Anyway, I need to grab silica for stuff. I'm gonna go back a bit. That was the idea. Yeah. Map crossing. Yeah. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's really cool. But my computer, for one, is really old, so I feel like if I cross the map too fast, my game will break. And also, it's nice to kind of take my hands off the keyboard and just kind of chillax for a minute whilst we're going sonic speeds. You know? I could probably get rid of some of these gaps, but I could, yeah, that one I could probably get rid of. But it's fine. Because look, we're going fast as it is, and my frame rate is going down. I think the stream didn't go down, but the frame rate definitely going down. So I think if I cross the frickin' map at hypersonic speed, yeah, my game's going bye-bye. My game's gonna shut down. my computer's gonna be like, why are we over here now? This doesn't make any sense. Whose existence are we in? This is gonna be very confused. Okay. You know, I mean, we have good power. We also have battery. You might be fine. Might just be chilling. So like, put a train, and then whatever. I'll do one more fuel, and then we should be fine. Quotes. Silicers. And then I will do the train as a noob and start off with coal. Because conveyor belts, I don't know, that's cool and all, but I think you completely understand the concept. You can build it if you need it. Yeah. Oh, it's fine. That was the idea, not... Oh, wait. Not map crossing cannons, but a boost at the beginning. Oh, that's what you were... Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was trying to go for. A supersonic boost at the beginning, yeah. The short you showed... Can I... No. Frick. Wait, hang on. Can I just... Let me do a boost at the beginning here. It desperately needs it. So, let me just come down here. Okay. Okay. So, 2 spaces apart. 1, 2. So, then an entrance... Wait. Let me rewatch this. My brain is now... I'm confusing myself more than I should be, but let me rewatch this. Let me rewatch this magic, because now my brain is like, how do you do that? Okay. For noobs. 2 spaces, okay. Oh, on each one, okay. Okay, we do want to do on each one. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. It's quite a lot of power, but it's fine. Okay. My genius is understanding now. My brain understand. Okay, I get it. Alright. And then we, Gonna have to upgrade this one to Mark 4. Or Mark 2. Even that might not be enough. Just enough. Okay. This might be a little unnecessary, this one. But here we go. That didn't seem to do too much. That didn't do as much as I thought it... I mean, we're going sonic speeds. I see that. But, I don't know, I thought we were gonna freaking... Zoom. We're zoom. Anyway, we're zooming. I'm complaining too much. We're zooming enough. Eh. Well, I put the wall there for this exact reason, but the foundation works too. All right, so yeah, there you go. That's the concept. I can get rid of one of those at least. Okay, back to this. Yeah. There we go. Shout out to you, Jabs. Big preach for that that hypertube idea. Use a big brain. Alright, cool. I guess I'll just put, like, I can... Where do I put this elevator, right? Can't put it there. Can't exactly put it right here. I'd have to go around the refinery. Have to go around these. I just need a refinery up now, but gotta go up a bit more. Oh no. Up to there-ish. I picked a freaking trash spot to be doing this in. I really did. But I think I did it wrong. That's fine. I can do that in freaking douche. So the problem that's gonna be here is simply the frickin' head lift. That's still not enough, but it should be fine. Again, you son of a biatch. It's fine, we can go around. Yeah, it's fine, that can work. Because the factories can fit on 2 platforms. That should be fine. Right? It's not in the way. No, we're chilling. Cool. I'm gonna bind that to 8. There we go. Well, that's fine. Looks a bit wonky-ish, but that's whatever. It's not whatever, but it's fine. That it makes it look supported, and that's what matters. We support our buildings, our people, our friends, our loved ones, and we support people that need help. We support everything, even inanimate objects. That's just how we do on this channel. Thank you very much. No exceptions. We don't support bad. Well, actually, you know what? We support bad people, but only so they can become good people, you know? We don't support that they do bad things, but we support trying to prevent them from doing more bad things, you know? If you give up on bad people, they're just gonna have more of a reason to be staying bad people. Gotta have faith and believe in them, you know? Can't just be like, oh, you're a bad person, you done something terrible, you can die, I don't care. Nah, you gotta believe in them. Gotta be like, alright, this is not good what you done here, but you know what? I believe there is good in you. I believe that you can be better. Might take some time, but you can do it. That's what you gotta do. That is what you have to do, ladies and germs. Actually, okay. I got this just tiny little jingle in my head, and I have no idea why. Hey, you. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Where are we powering you from, eh? Let's power you from up here. Shablowski. Yep. La donkeys. I need to... Oh. Do we still have... Taking even more power, unfortunately, but you know what? It's nice looking. It's the floors... No, just the elevator. Additional floor stops can be added. So it's just... what? Consumes power when in use transport. So I think it's just a one-time 20. I know if you have like 20 floors, I don't think it matters. Could be wrong, but... Oh wait, Jared, you said you had like 5 floors and 50,000 different factories, right? Do you happen to Floor 1, main floor. Do you happen to know if these things take additional power when you add more floors? Floor 2, shop. Shop edge. Shop. Everybody, recycle, reduce, reuse. I don't know, I'll do a green. You built stairs around the outside? Oh. I swear, I thought you said you had like 50,000 factories and you had lots of elevators. But maybe I just mistaken. I mistook that. My bad. Okay. Second floor. I guess, I don't know. Pinkage. Second floor. More factory. Yeah. No, he never mentions elevators. Ah. Okay. Someone else must have said something about elevators and I just misremembered. My apologies. You also left holes in the floor so you could jetpack between them. Oh yeah, that works too, but I don't know, my brain sees that and is like, there's a hole in it's too big of a hole in the floor. So my brain is like, nah. I don't know why. These are the elevators are just my favorite part in this game. They're such a tiny thing, but they're very nice. What do you... Oh, you're the wall, right. Oh, you know, we can actually make this look pretty nice. You know why? We could... Okay. Can you... Not that we need to do this, but... Is that lined up? Wait a minute. I think it is. Alright, and that... Why connect yourself like that? What are you doing? What? What kind of crack are you on, game? Nope, wrong thing. Right, I keep forgetting you can press E. Foundation, oh, that only changes meters. Elevators consume 20 during operation. Overall, but the longer you're in the elevator, the longer it will draw. Ah, I got you. Oh, that's fine. How is this not lining up with that? That doesn't make any sense. What just happened? Huh? What? What are you you're broke. What the frick? Something's definitely wrong. They look the same. I don't know. It's fine. It works. Whatever. Let's see. What the... What? Something's definitely wrong here. It's not connected properly, but it's fine. So 100 floors will only draw 20. Okay. Gotcha. Good to know. Big preach. I'm like generally... I'm confuzzled. I was just trying to make it look a bit nice, you stupid game. Whatever, screw you, fine. You suck one. Douche. Anyway, I'm doing this now. Listen, I like building things, okay? I like me some chill gaming. I like just... That's why I like Minecraft so much. I gotta get back into the Sky City project. Like, what am I doing? I haven't done an episode and I'm a douche because of it, but, you know. I'm trying. 30 more power. Such a trade-off. You're spending 30 to make... Well, actually, no, this one can power a lot more than... That's fine there. I gotta turn around first, but... It's gonna be kind of blocked off when we come up here, I guess. Oh no, it's fine. Because like the pipes will kind of do that, but I can wrap them around to the left and go back down. Oh, what's up, wise man? How you doing? How you doing? You're getting close to 1K? We are. As of right now, we're about 30 away. It's pretty cool. We are getting there indeed. Slowly. Hopefully we can get there before February, but we have about, what, 10 days before that, so, you know, staying hopeful, but you never know. Alright, bit of math. Oh yeah, how's it going, eh? How's your grind going? 60, let me remath, I always forget. 30, 120, so 180. You think you was subscriber 970? My dude, if I had $970, I would absolutely give you $970. That's what I wanted to do ever since I started the channel. It's like, oh man, we hit 100 subscribers. I want to give this person $100. But I tried to do that when I had money, but everybody was like, nah, we don't want money. I'm like, okay, well, all right. And I'll just spend it on McDonald's. Anyway, 180, right, so 180, that's 240, so so we have exactly 60 fuel left over, but I can frickin' ultra fuel. You'll buy those 30 other subs right now? I mean, you know, go for it, man. I'm not even gonna say no anymore. You do you. Alright, yeah. You do what makes you happy, you know? You do you. Alright, I'm gonna do... I am going to upgrade you, nerds, to... Whatever. It's fine. I don't know. I'm just gonna connect these. It's fine. Don't even think about it. Sometimes you just gotta do. That's what I'm gonna do. Look at this, just doing. Can't be stopped. That's how you roll in life. Life is gonna stop you. But not today, not for us. We're doing, we've done it. It can't be tamed. We need power? Well, guess what? We've got power. We've got even more oil now. Suck one, life. You can't stop us. We're having a good time. You bitch slap life in the face and say, hey, I'm winning, not losing, not today. Okay. So about this, right? How many meters are we going up? From here, this is lower, so that's fine, that works. Okay, okay. So about 20. Because that's 10 right there. Well, maybe like 15, but yeah, and about 20-ish. Okay, I got this one. Alright, watch this genius. Alright, we have all this plastic. I might as well do this. Hold up, I'm doing not long enough. Your anus is not long enough. That's the only insult I ever use, but whatever. It's fine. Yeah, Jad deserves it. You deserve all the wins. I agree. Hashtag support Jad, and he's cool. Support the good ones, you know? It's gonna be a bit wonky of a curve here, but whatever, it'll work. Ah, that's what I forgot to do. I meant to, frick. I meant to put iron plates on the ground. Yeah, hey, wise man, you wanna see something cool? Watch this. We ultrafied our hypertube system. Again, you know, shout out to Jad for that one, but hey, watch this. Okay, well, don't watch, hang on, not yet, wait, not yet, wait, hang on, wait, don't watch, no, wait, don't, hang on, don't watch yet, no, you're not allowed to watch. Wise man, you're not, hold up, you're banned from the stream for a minute. I gotta finish this, hang on. Hold up, bro. Hold up. What do you mean invalid pipe? You're on drugs. That is lined up so unbelievably perfectly. What do you mean invalid? You're freaking... Oh, you're trying to curve, that's why. Freaking fool. That should be fine. Alright, watch this genius. Don't even understand about what's about to take place. All right, and then we oh frick. Okay, wait. Okay, gotta do this. Wait, hold up, and then this, and then boom, and then that. That's a lot of power, but boom. All right, now you can watch. I'm about to see. We're freaking zooming. It's pretty cool. Play that song on your phone. What song on my phone? What? I'll delete that from your memory? Okay. Alright, my brain went places I don't... anyway, hey, yeah, pretty cool. We're zooming. Anyway, there's that. What's about to happen here? Nothing. The elevator stops us. Okay. We don't... Just gonna say we don't... Like, that's maybe a little too much. Okay, I'm gonna get plates now. Yeah, zoom, but wait for it, Wise. Wait, guys. But wait for it. But wait, we're about to freaking go super. The song in the link, play it on your phone so only you can hear. It's copyright. There's a song in the link? Oh, did you put a link in the chat? I don't know why. I think YouTube has like something. For some reason, I can never see links. I don't know why. Seems now... Ah, see. Seeing your base now is so crazy. Proud of you. Thank you. Thank you, wise man. I'm proud of you, too. I'm proud of you for being so awesome. Yes! Well... We're not going Sonic speed now, but that's fine. We're about to. Yeah, I don't know. People send links all the time. I'm like, oh yeah, you want to put a link in? That's fine, go for it. And people try and put links, and I never see anything. So I don't know if it's just me or what, but I don't know if there's like a setting I have. I didn't change any settings on the YouTube side, but thank you, wise man. I'm glad I can make you proud. I'm glad I can make you happy and all. It's great. I like making people happy. I like making people proud. You love to see it. You're a cool mans. One of the biggest W's this channel has ever seen, my friend. Don't even understand. Oh wait, no, that's not. No. And support Wise Man too. He's a good streamer. Or a content creator. He does all the things. You always support the good ones. I try and do where I can as well. You know, I drop by, drop some likes, drop some stuff as you do, generating lots of bots for you. I mean, nothing. You didn't hear that. It was "Don't Stop Me Now" by Queen. Oh yeah. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Oh well. I've sung that. I've never sung the full song, but you know, I sung a few lyrics from it. Never got copyright from it, so it's chill. It's chill. But yeah, good song. Good song. Have you tried Factorio? W bots. No W bots. And no, I have not. Legendary Error. Also, what's up, Legendary Error? How you doing? Welcome to Satisfactory. Alright, I wasn't trying to go down. That's fine. How you doing on this day and or night of existence? Oh, you frick. Okay. How can I do this a bit better? You know, make it look nice-ish, mayhaps. Maybe can I do this? And like yeah. It's a very roundabout way of doing it, but it makes me feel, you know, happy about decoration and building. So it's a W, you know. Once you finish, check out Factorio. I heard Factorio and Satisfactory were very similar to each other, so. How much is Factorio? I don't even know. Got like 30 bucks, so I'll try it. But if it goes on sale and I get it, then sure I'll try it. But frick. I mean that works. It looks very wonky, but it actually. Oh, interesting! It actually goes through the wire. It works. Don't stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. You know what? I'm going for it. I'm doing it. Expensive, but Factorio is so good. I'll try it. Star Rupture, which is a new game, also similar to Satisfactory. Legendary, do you play the? I'm assuming you play Factorio. I'm gonna just say that much is evident. Do you play? Have you played Satisfactory as well then, or? Oh frick! Wait a minute. No, it's fine. I can do some. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. 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 Watch this. I might as well just do that, right? That works. Does that work? can these connect directly? Like if I put this here now, like if I... Does that work? It should, right? Hopefully. I think. That's fine. I don't know what happened there. I'm gonna say yeah, that works. And then fuel can yeah. I'm taking way too much time with this. I want to build trains and I'm here freaking making fuel. Been streaming over an hour and it's fine. I'm building trains. It's only 12:42. I have plenty of time. I got no life. I'm a gamer. Real gamers have no. No, that's a lie. Hey, listen, sometimes all you want to do is play some games at home. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't really need more refineries, but I could make more refineries. Yeah, that's fine. Because we have more than enough oil with that one. That one's pure as well. Factorio is 2D, look down. Star Rupture is first person. Yeah. I mean, hey, if the game is good enough, 2D is fine, in my opinion. Yeah, I guess that's fine. So is oil going in here? No. Right, because it doesn't have a pump. It needs a pump. I need a pump. Alright. I always forget. I think the pump, like, just right here is fine. Pump it. Pump it. What does the valve do? Limits flow rate? Oh, it's fine. I mean, I think that's fine doing that, right? Like, I think one pump will be fine. It says 20 meters, and this is... I'm pretty sure this is, in fact, 20 meters. Probably, like, do this, right? There's 1 meter. 10 meters. Trains! What's up, Jay? How you doing? Oh, yeah, no, that's more than 20 meters. That's, like... I mean, you can never go wrong with 2 pumps. Pumpage. There you go. You son of a douche. There you go. Now that should work. Now we're gaming. What's up, Jay? How you doing? Ooh. Ooh, what? Oh. I need that to... Okay. It's gonna seem a bit stupid doing this, but... I'm gonna actually bring that along the wall and, have that go into this one. This is the store one. This is the, trash disposable one. Put a Mark II pump instead of 2 pumps? I would, but I need a heavy pump, heavy frame. And I don't think we can make a heavy machine frame. I have to go all the way back. I don't want to go all the way back. Chilling in bed right now, playing some Battlefield. Oh, good stuff, man. Did deep clean of your room feels good? Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. I'm going to also upgrade you. Just so we don't backlog here. And overfill. So this is never full, but that's fine. This is the garbage chest. Oh wait, actually, will this just work? No, right, because it has to go around. Which battlefield you playing, eh? Oh, frick. What? No, no, stop. Cease your stupidity, you frick. Ah, that sucks. Might. That's why I always take so long with stuff. I just try and beautify things, you know? Nope. Frick. That might be okay doing that, right? Yeah. And then it also works, because we can just... Bada boom. It's fine. Choosing coffee as the favorite beverage. Understandable. I don't drink coffee personally, but hey. It's all up to you. It's all up to you, you know? It is asking your personal favorite beverage. What about you, Jad? What's your favorite beverage? If you have one. What? Oh. It's like, why am I moving? Okay, can we fit in here? And you're playing the new one. Gotcha. So go ye. I tried playing the new one, but yeah, they were like, nah, bro, you need frickin', you need what's it called on your computer on, and I was like, I don't have that on my computer on. You're a frickin' douche. You know, I'm schmaying. Actually, I might just, oh wait a minute, I can just do this. Yeah, that works. Oh, that absolutely works. Yeah, it actually absolutely works. Conveyor belt. Well, if you maybe connect to the ceiling like a frickin' genius, stop being a dumbass, you might have better luck. I'm just saying. There you go. I should build stairs here. Don't really need. Don't really need an elevator, but elevators, I think, you know, they're cool. Okay. I like elevators. Elevators are my favorite part in this game. No one can tell me otherwise. What? Whatever. I'm not. It's fine. You don't need a floor. It's fine. Like, if using the elevator is just, it's gonna take too much time going up and down. What did I come over here for? I don't even remember. Oh, I wanted to check. I needed to go to the 3rd floor, but that's fine. This is still not getting oil. Why are we not getting oil? You have oil. You're not powered. Hey, you need power. That would probably be good, right? Power is a good thing we want to give to you. I'm gonna just yoink you over here. Very random spot, but now you're gonna be going. There we go. Now we're gaming. Now we're chilling. We're gonna get even more frickin' coupons. Yeah, there it goes. Pump it. That's just in my head now for some reason. Oh, I could... Yeah, why... I am able to do that. I don't know why I didn't think I could. Oh, that's fine. Okay, cool. So, anyway, now that 1 hour and 20 minutes later, we finally have fuel for more stuff. I guess I could have overclocked the refineries below, but it's fine. So you're stuck on fuel, but that's fine. And then we gotta bring you down below. It's fine that there's no pump. We don't need a pump over here. Because this only needs to go down. And then preemptively, we're gonna do some of this action. Because if we decide to build more refineries, we can just do a little pipe madongers there. Unfortunately, it's not like the conveyor lift. I wish there was like a pipe lift hole. Well, there's not. I mean, I can come down through here. What are you frickin' doing, Jesus? Meh, meh, meh. I might as well just like come about right here-ish. Some of that. Then just kind of swoop down from up here. Like Spider-Man or something. Oh. Okay, anyway. Oh, we used up all the concrete. Interesting. Okay, but we can make this work like so. Oh wait, not that. No, wrong button. Swoop, boop. Horizontal to so I'm just gonna try and like connect it like there-ish, maybe. Can't be nudged because you're a douchebag. You just don't want to be nice, do you? Dick. Everything else can be nudged. Oh, but no, not you. No, you. You want to just be a sack of douche. You're going through that. Well, that's not great. You're also curving. Does the supports actually do anything? Or are they just for decoration? Connects pipeline segment support height can be adjusted. Useful for routing pipelines more precisely. So, not really. In other words. It's kind of more decoration. I mean, don't look pretty, but it works, I guess. And it's not really clipping through anything. Even though it says it does, it's just a stupid building block. Or building... Madonna. Yeah, whatever. It looks really weird and kind of stupid, honestly, but it works. and then another one right here. Right there. And then now we can frickin' ball out of control on 2 more fuel things. Only took 90,000 years, but we finally did it. Spacesuit. I'm gonna try and line them up again. There you go. What are you frickin' doing? I see, you were connecting to one or the other. That's fine. Yep. And then there should be way more than enough fuel to... That refinery should be generating more than enough fuel to do these both. There we go. Oh, frick. Should have done... Whoops. That's not gonna work there, frick. Well... Okay, hang on. What we need to do is some of this action. A little pro tip for building these. If you want to put a junction somewhere specific, like if you want to do what I just did and place it on a corner, place the junction first. Line up the, because then boom, and then you're fine. And then you do some of that. There you go. I think these are not maxed. Oh no, they're maxed. If we really need to, we can always get more fuel, but this should be more than enough. Yeah, 2,100. We have an excess power plus of 500. Oh. Yeah, about 500 and, let's see, 527, actually, what, 526.7, because math. Yeah, because 21, yeah, okay. Very loud. Let me just turn those down a little bit more. Did it not? It didn't save the settings. What the frick? Or unless if I never turned those down, I don't know. Oh no, it did. Feel like I'm... sorry. Apologies if you couldn't hear me that whole time. Okay. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have to rename this frickin' episode to Superpowered. Seriously, I might as well just not do trains at this damn point. Jeez. It's fine. You live and learn. You make mistakes. Happens. Yeah, that's fine. So... 2 of them, let's see, we have 40, so 80, 120, and we got 6 generators, each using 20, so 120, plus we have a bit of excess fuel coming from the, that kind of bothers me a bit, but whatever. I'm just gonna live with that. Plus we have a bit of extra fuel kind of coming from here. I think that little extra tops up any of the others that need it. So that's fine. If we need to, I can always either overclock one of the refineries, or I can just make a whole nother refinery. I mean, the more refineries we're making for fuel, the more coupons we're getting, so there's that. Let me grab the coupons and then I'll head back home. And then finally, after 90,000 years, we can... So does the standard coupon points, does that just go infinitely up? Or is it always like is it always at like 50,000 points until next coupon or something? Sure. Oh. Well, these are walls. But I'll buy them. We have all these coupons, might as well. We have infinite coupons right now. Convey, yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, why not? I like fancy walls. Tilted walls, hand them over. Sure, why not? What's up? What else we got? Industrial, sure, why not? Equipment, I like coffee cups. Parts. Could just buy this real fast and then fix that. Yeah, that's fine. Not, oh, we have 9, oh, we have 11. We need 19. Oh, well. You win, you lose. It's fine. It's fine. No, it's fine. I'm leaving. You stream with a friend who does the same thing, but we accept that the video title is only the goal of the episode. It's okay if we don't achieve it. Yeah, it's okay if you don't achieve it. It's just... You want to make sure you're not false advertising, you know? So if you have a title or a thumbnail specifically centered around something, you want to make sure you at the very least like have something. I don't know. I mean, everybody's different, but that's just me. If I see a title or a thumbnail, yeah, as an example for us, it's like if it's based around trains, I'm gonna watch the video or the stream assuming, okay, they're gonna do something with trains. You know? That kind of thing is also especially good for people who are looking up a specific guide or something, you know? So maybe people will watch this in the future like, oh, okay, this guy's building a train. Let me see how he does it, so maybe I can understand. But then they're like, oh, where does this, you know... like they'll kind of be like an hour and 30 minutes in the stream or something, or the video, and they'll be like, what, this guy has not built a train, what is he doing, you know? I like trains and trying to get trains. Yeah. You always want to change the title. If it's a stream, then it's understandable, you know, you change the title afterwards, that's fine. You just gotta make sure, you know, you use it. Sometimes that's what I do. I'll after a stream, I'll change the thumbnail or the title, or I just won't have a title. I'll be like, eh, whatever. Eat the title out of existence. Alright, now we could finally build the trains and accomplish that, because we have extra power now. At the very least, we needed like 250 power, I think, 110. 110, 160... 200, yeah, 210 train stop for all that. So out of safety, I'm like assuming high and going like through. Oh, we also need this, so 260. So yeah, we are only human. Indeed, we are, my friend. Indeed, we are. We do our best. Do you need a freight platform and a train station? Wait. Loads of that stop at the freight platform. So it snaps to other platforms and stations need to be connected to a power to function. I don't know. I'll just assume yes. Train station is the first part, then plane, yeah, then freight platform. Okay. So my thing, does it go backward? Wait, let me get everything we need for this. I should have watched a video or something on this, but it's fine. All right, I need more frames. I need more motors. I need more rubber. I need more everything. Just gonna fill up on everything. Eat. It's fine. Get there we go. Also need railways. Lots of steel. Concrete, beams. Oh. Beams. How many beams? Oh, we have 200. Let's get more. Did I didn't put steel beams on here. I never labeled this apparently. What's up, Ed? How you doing? Late for you, innit? Steel beam. No, not steel. Not steak beam. This is not steak. This is steel beam. You don't want to eat these. Could be quite painful if you do. Like a darkish red, because that's kind of what it has there. Steel beam. Okay. Grab like 4 of each. And then get some more pipes. Train carries... Wait. Train carriages line up at the front platforms and unload. 1 carriage per platform. Train station. It's the front part of the station where the engine sits. Do I have to like do a turn? Do I have to like have it turn around, or does it? I don't know. This is where I'm. This is where I. This is where you may try and explain things, but my brain will be still freaking tiny brain and be like, what? What? I don't understand. But it's fine. We're gonna, you know, trial and error. We're gonna figure things out. Have you used trains? You've actually, yeah, you recommended them, duh. Don't mind me. Okay, pipes. Rubber, advanced auto wiring, no, pipes. Pipes are somewhere right here. Oh, jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, we're home, so it's like, I get it, we're fine. Oh, also, I did set these up. Let me... It's a nice little way to transport, not a lot of items, but transport some of it, is to take it out of that and then... So you just need rubber for this stuff? Train station needs plastic. And wire, okay. Grab another thing of wire then real fast. Just to be safe. You could do a turnaround or make a loop. Or put an engine at end of the train and have it go back. Oh, yeah. Also works. Yeah, why have I been putting rubber and stuff in these chests, in containers? Literally have its own containers now. It's like with the hypertubes, few concept to learn and then build it like, yeah. Build it how you like. Okay. One sec, let me just empty this container. Keep so used to Minecraft. Frick. Okay. Because this is no longer other stuff. That's slowly filling up, that's fine. So, I don't know. Don't really need a lot of Plastic. Just the train station. Oh, they cost 50 per thing, though. Says we have 2. Oh, it's because it's counting in there. Okay. Just get that. Okay. I think I am about as ready as I can be to build some... Try and do this, I guess. No promises of how this will come out, but I'm gonna do my best. Come, buddy, all. Which I'm pretty sure in Japanese means do your best. I think. They always pronounce it a little differently here and there in the animes. Okay. So, my plan is to start the train station not on this platform, but right, like, off it. Kind of like exactly in the thumbnail. Just gotta... Yeah, this thing is very big. It's gonna bother me that it's kind of uneven, though. Damn it, I wish I would have moved the coal a bit better. I'm a douche. Maybe, which way is it? It's a merger. Can that... That can go in there that way. I'm gonna... You're damn right I'm doing that. Oh, nope. I could stop the coal production for now. Like, that's exactly what the train is for. But, this way it's still going. Conveyor belt too long. Suck one. There you go. A lot more space now. Surprised that's still frickin' Mark II. Get out of here. I didn't drop off the... That's fine. You are very confident that you will work it out quickly, although my confidence in your abilities started out a bit shaky when it took you ages to work out that the biofuel generator on the back of the hub was for power. Yeah, I didn't realize those were for power a long time ago. Listen, I learn. Sometimes I learn instantly. Other times it takes me 9,000 years. Like literally at the beginning of the episode, I was like, "Oh, what does this thing mean?" Or why can't you transport? I don't know what I said. I said something stupid, and then I'm like, "Oh, look at this big text right here. If we look at that, it shows things." You know, if I learn to read, maybe that'll help. Okay. Oh, I could just do it there. Is that worth doing there? I don't even know. Or do I do... Because I'm going to unload the coal here, like I said. So maybe I put the train station not here. These freaking things are gigantic, so... Maybe I put, like, the train station, you know, right here. And then... something like that, and then, you know... Now you're frick. Alright, I'm just gonna leave it over here. Gotta learn somehow. You watched first 2 episodes, then saw you live episode 5. Yeah, huge. I definitely... Once I learn, I learn. I try and learn from my mistakes. I try and speed run, and then I try and be patient about things. I try, anyway. So this just connects. Really? You can't connect because there's no frickin' platform. Oh my lord, that you frickin' douche nozzle. Your train station or wait, your train station orientation needs to point at the direction. Oh, so I can't have the platform. What do you mean surface is too uneven? It's fine. Oh, I see, and then it exports into a container of some kind. Well, okay. I guess that's fine. I can have a container here. It is currently facing wrong? Well, no, but don't we want the train to go that way, don't we? Like, if we want to go get coal, right? We want it to go... Or am I, like... Not enough space on track. What do you mean, not enough space? There's plenty of... Look at this. Whoosh, whoosh. Okay, it's the wrong way. I will change it. Train station. Well, yeah, see the orange arrow, like we want it to face that way, don't we? Right? Because we want it to go that way to pick up the coal, and then eventually it'll come back. So I'll do, like you said, I'll do one engine on both sides. Unless you mean, like, if we want the train to come this way, this has to face this way. Like, this train station isn't the way it's departing, it's the way it's coming back. So when I place a train station, I have to place it as if it's returning. Is that long and short of it there? Holy frick, this thing is... Why is it so big? So, like, now it's facing the other way, which is fine. Station, platform, platform rail, platform station. Got it, I think. Maybe. Swoosh, swoosh. Not enough space on track. Okay. The surface is too uneven. You're freaking douche knob. Yeah. Stop at the frame. Okay. So we do want to connect this to the train station then. Right? At the freight can be set. Configuring snaps to other platforms and stations need to be connected to. So I guess I can also do it this way then. Where the frick are you going? I didn't mean to do that. Okay, I guess that's doing that. This doesn't have the thing like the conveyor belts have. I'm assuming you are at the destination for the coal. This is where the coal is gonna go. So all the coal here, this is all the foundries and stuff for the steel. The coal, it's all coming from over there. So that's why I was saying, like, we want the train to go over there, get the coal, and then come back and drop it off. Instead of doing these freaking conveyors and being so slow. You know? So that's why I was saying, like, the train station has to go that way, right? My brain is in overload, but you know it's fine. My soda is also freaking flat, but I'm not wasting it. Whatever. It's fine. I think I'm confusing you, and then I'm confusing myself. I just have to stop questioning it. I just got to do things, and if it works, cool. If it doesn't, well, we try the other way, and hope it works. That's not gonna work like that. That's fine. And this also needs that there. That's cool. That's annoying. Gonna fix these platforms later, but that's just gonna have to be how it is for now. That's where you're getting confusing. The train is not leaving to get the coal, it is bringing the coal from the other station. Yeah. So I don't need this. Wait. Yeah, so I don't need this here. It's bringing the coal from the other station. Right, yeah. I knew that. But, wait, which can you... That is the other station you will build at the other end. Uh-huh. See, but I'm gonna be fully honest with you. My brain has fully gotten stupid. I've gone to full baby mode, like. It's not you, my dude. You're doing a great job explaining. I'm just too stupid to understand. You need a station at either end. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just go. Platforms are not stations. Yeah. Gotcha. Train station. Alright, okay. And then you need a platform. You need platforms attached to stations. Yeah. I was putting the freight platform so it can unload. That's what I was doing here. And then I can have like a container here and move all this nonsense. Right. And then that can do all that good stuff. Oh, that's a lot of storage. I feel like, right? Your station is back. Okay. Station backwards. Fixed. Okay. Good. Okay. Brain power is getting there. It's getting there. Have an efficient day. Alright. Space Boys Factory. I think. I don't know. But change it tiny bit. Get out of the stupid. Okay. And then. Okay. Man, you need a lot of freaking stuff for this. Okay. Which way is forward? That way's forward. Okay, I gotta reverse it. Hang on. Got it. So that way is the engine. I'm slowly beginning to understand. Very slowly, more than I'd like to admit. But, you know, not enough space on the track. Of course there's not. You suck. And it's gonna build a long platform right here. And that's gonna be the track. And that's gonna be that. Okay. Kinda need that. Okay. It needs like a starting track platform. I'm gonna change the thumbnail after this and say trains are confusing. That's gonna the station is where the power is attached. Yeah. Prevents trains from derailing at the end. Oh, okay. We do want this. That would probably help, right? That'd probably be good to have here. Probably want that so the train doesn't get yeeted out of existence. I feel like I'm actually working with real life trains now. Good lord. Oh no, these don't have, these are not like conveyor belts at all. I see. So like they don't, you just kind of turn them and, ah. Okay. That's fine. We can make do. Does this, it just automatically attaches, right? Okay. I guess. And then what, we manually put, do we manually put a container on here? Hang on, I got 2 hours. Gamers game for as long as they want. Game. Wait, I got it. Hold up, wait. Wait, don't tell me. Oh, what the, it's, what? Is my game broke? Is that supposed to look like that? There's supposed to be a container here. Is there supposed to be a thing here? Oh, we could drive it. That's cool. I feel like there's supposed to be a thing there, but there's not. Yeah. Must be built resource. Like I can't place a thing. It won't let me place it on there. So I'm gonna, yeah. They look like that when empty. Well, that's annoying. That doesn't make any sense. It should either be up there or be down. That's good. Okay, it's weird. But alright, what do I know? I know nothing. Okay, and then we want another one to go that way. And then we should be gaming, right? That should, oh, 320, Jesus. But you know what? It's definitely worth it, I think. It's not active right now, but... Okay, so 1900. I'm gonna definitely need another fuel thing. The box is inside the freight storage. I see. Makes sense. Oh wait, oh. That? I mean, I guess that would make sense because it's output. Okay. Okay, well. I mean, I guess we're chilling on steel, so I can effectively stop this. We don't need 50,000 coal being transported. We're about to change this anyway, so let's get rid of this nonsense. Maybe. There we go. Change that up a bit. And now we just bring it to the coal, right? That's what we do. We just bring it to the coal. Gotta change that too, but concrete. Yep. You know, you could take out of here and put in your inventory. This thing is redundant. Like, I'm not trying to complain, but I'm complaining. This is it's very helpful, but it's also really stupid. Just say that. Like, if you can take out, you should be able to put back in. Logically speaking, that makes no sense. I'm gonna blow this up out of anger. And blow you up. Suck one. You're poisoning the environment. Suck it. I missed. The crane, pick it up out of the platform storage. Yeah. You can suck one too. Okay. Blow things up. Alright, it's good mental refresher, you know? That's how we do. Alright, let's blow up some more environment stuff. That's what this game is about. Just destroy everything. Get out of it. Really? Don't need a bomb. I could have just used a chainsaw, but explosions are cool. Who don't like explosions? Cool guys don't look at explosions. We blow shite up and walk away. Can we, does that work? No. It's fine, I'll just go around or something. Sorry, nature. Sorry. We're just holding an explosive thing and we're just, you know, surely it's not gonna blow up in our hand if we just smack it a bunch. Suck one tree. Anyway. That should be enough nature murdering. I wish we had like rails. I mean, we have rails, but like actual... I mean, I guess this can work. Just to like lift it up, you know? Actually, will that work if we like place this somewhere? Will that actually... Place must be in line with another train platform. Oh, okay. Whatever. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna send it now. I'm just gonna send this over and I'm gonna hope for the best. Like, I wish I could raise this up. That's what I'm... Because it's gonna be kind of going through some rocks and stuff here and there, but it's fine. Hey, bud. It's nice to have them peaceful now. What the frick? Okay, so you can't do that. I'm sure I'm going to miss something unbelievably obvious. But here we are. You're in the ground, that's fun. I mean, I get... The way I should be doing this, I probably should place foundations. That would probably help. Every so often, though. Like, not just a full-on... So, like, right here-ish. Actually, I could just do a... It's a lot of plates and concrete, but... Kind of just, like, extend out in a way. Nah, extend out, deconstruct. Extend out, deconstruct. You know, like that. Kind of deal. If you wanted to go up, build a ramp. The rail will follow whatever terrain yeah. Yeah, I kind of figured because it was kind of going down and up a bunch. That's why I'm trying to do platforms. I don't know why I'm trying to keep them even, but why am I doing that? I don't know. There's no point. I can do it this way. Wasting time. That's what I'm doing. As long as it works. Okay. And then, you know what? I am going to just expand. Normally I don't want to do this, but doing this is fine this time around. I should be doing the 4 meters, and I'm not. I don't know why. So if this, yeah, okay, it does do that. Good, good. So you don't need a foundation every 2 seconds. You can kind of just run with it. And then will this work now? Yeah, you could just have it floating. But it's fine. I'll actually make it so that it's not floating, just in case. No, I don't want to go 2, I just want the 1. Yep. This way it kind of looks like it has actual support, you know? The best way to do this, probably do it this way. Come to the end, see where the end is, right, okay. About here-ish. Yeah, that's fine. Don't you dare, you're gonna do it, aren't you, you freaking douche. It's knowing that it's not fully lined up, but... Oh, I could hit control and it snaps to something over here. I guess it's trying to keep the train straight. That's fine. It's gonna curve all over the place on our way there, so it is what it is. Okay. The easy and smooth part, which is this. Okay, here we go. That is just right there, so... right here. Place you up a bit. Put like ramps on you or something maybe, I don't know. There we go. How can I do... I mean, I could just bring it over... Okay. So, before I do anything else, let me just actually... The problem I gotta kind of figure out here... It's kind of going downhill. So I gotta figure that nonsense out. Get rid of this. Get rid of all you. Did I just get... No, it's fine. I'll get rid of the rest later, but... Man, that is uneven as all frick. And boy, does that bother me. There's no straightening that out, unfortunately. Whatever. It'll work. It's all that, but I'm not going to go too crazy with this. As much as it bothers me, it's a project for future me. That's a problem for future cosmic bro dude, space boy, to be fixing. Okay. So I could just follow the ramp like you said, right? Like if I just build the... Guess I could replace this with the ramp and then just do that. I guess. Well, let me place a platform down there so I can maybe get some stations going. If I can place platforms, I don't know. This is probably gonna want to move. Yeah. Gonna move. Do we have it? Oh, we don't. We don't need all this concrete. We have it frickin' stored. We don't need the coal. Not really. We don't need all of these. And that should be enough. Okay. Oh yeah, this had a thing. I forgot. Where are you going? That way. No, what the frick? What? I wanted to go out 10. Not that we need to, but... So, well, that should still work, right? That might be too high. Only one way to find out. Ah, frick. Oh no, it's still... Wait. Ah, it's too high. Damn it. Gotta go down just a little bit. But that's fine. So do like another mini rampage. Bit of a smaller ramp, there we go. Yeah. Just trying to keep it somewhat, you know, it's like... whatever. We're never gonna be over here, so if the rocks are poking through, whatever, it's fine. The miner's gonna go here anyway. Hey, bud, how you doing? You chilling? Alright. Excuse me, sir, and or madam, and or unidentifiable. I don't judge. You be who you want, okay? As long as you're happy with who you are. And I'm happy for you. Alright, cool. Glad we had this conversation. Have a good day. Glad we can be civil here. I replace that down. I'm gonna have it go that way instead. Because then I could just line the train station right here. Put a ramp kind of going up. Get rid of that. Yeah. And then that ramp can, you know, like this one, kind of follow its way down. And that's where the train can go. And then we should be able to put the train station like here-ish. Just kind of expand out a little bit so it has the station. Has room for a station. Three foundations should be more than enough. I would like to think. Frick, that's just floating there now. It's fine. I could do the ramps from here. No, that's fine. But I don't want to go like too much on an incline is my thing, but I might have to if we want to go up enough. Or I can go through that there, but and this might just have to be what it is. and be, you know, some of that. No, go up, you fool. Alright, that might be too high, but that's fine, we can remove. What are you doing over there, frick? Oh, this is way too high, yeah. You can stay. What's in here? Coal? Oh. Don't need coal. Man, ain't that a biatch? Not even at the right level. I always forget. Yeah. That's annoying. You son of a biatch. The only way to fix that would be to do some of this nonsense. It's fine. Easy fix. So we just do that. And then... Why are you frickin' crooked? What are you doing? You're not crooked. I'm just... I don't know. I don't know, man, anymore. Okay. Can you go down? What? Just go down. There we go. Alright, I guess whatever. It's fine. This can just do this. That's how it is now. I was wasting so much time. Something's gonna go wrong. Definitely, but it's fine. No one say nothing. We're gonna experiment, and if I make mistakes, it's fine. It's more entertainment for anybody else, so it's fine. We're chilling. Okay. Cool. Okay, and then finally, just after 90,000 years. Rail tracks too steep. I'd frickin' do it. Unless do I like do... What are you doing? Turns too sharp. Well, I'm not even going anywhere. Where are you turning from? Just connect there. Too short. Okay. So that won't work. Don't worry about the rants for now. Rails are flexible. Make sure you can fit in your station and platform. Yeah. Well, I can't even get it down now is the problem. But yeah, okay. So, this does not need a station, or a train station. Serves as a hub for locomotives. It can be set to navigate to and stop at a train station. Connect power to a train station. So this just needs a freight platform, right? I think you said? No, it does... With another train. Okay, it does. Okay. Because 2 stations, right? Yeah, right? Probably, yeah. I think that was the thing. And, of course, we're not going to be able to fit it, are we? Because you're going to be a douchebag. And by you, I mean me. I was gonna fix this by doing this. Or, you know, whatever. Nope, I'm just gonna do this. It's fine. Still didn't fix it. Well, at least it brings it up. At least it brings it up a level. So that's kind of nice, right? Alright, cool. that's a bit of a... Make the coal station and platform and extend the rail from them. Yeah. Yeah, need the station. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make this platform for them. Can you connect to the top one? See, there's no point in doing this because it's just going to phase into here. I might as well just keep going up. Yeah, that's enough. Let's go up one more level and then I'll be fine. Okay. Or I could just do 4 centimeters. There's that also is a thing I could probably do, and that's fine. All the space we can possibly need. I'm locked in. I'm in the zone. The auto zone. The locomotive zone, actually, not even the auto zone. We're in the train zone now. Oh, look at that, and it connects nicely with that one. That's good. Okay. Each. Plenty of room for the station and the thing. Okay. Okay, I have short-term memory, so this is where I become stupid again, but it has to face not that way. That way, right? No. Yeah, no. My brain naturally thinks the arrow has to point the direction it's going, but I don't think that's the case. Right? Probably. Does this also automatically go? Oh, hey, look at that. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. One second. Do we have to drive this, or does it just automatically do? Oh, we're out of concrete. What do you mean surface is too uneven? Oh, it's hanging off, that's why. Maybe move it over a little bit. There you go. Might be out of concrete, by the way. We're not out of concrete, but Bush. Crawls. I don't know, Cole. Yeah, sure. Just trying to think of a funny name and stuff, but yeah, no, it's fine. Oh, so we're, oh, frick. We're, alright, we gotta expand out that way then a bit. Alright. Understood, understood. No, not that. So these don't work, but maybe it will work if we do this first. Or something. Probably not, but... you know. It's fine. I should be able to probably do some of this action. Like maybe the 2 centimeter one will work. That's what I was kind of worried about when I was doing the 4. I was like, it's probably going to be a little too steep for it, but it's fine. Oh. Wait, can we... Can we, Aww. I think no matter what we do, it's just going to be too steep. Trains are automatic. Yeah. You set the routing to load or unload. Yeah. So... Hold up, hold up. I think I got it. I think I got it. We come up here and we do some of this. It's probably going to be too long if I do it this way, but... We got jump pads so long ago and I never use them. It's probably not going to work. Yeah, it's going to be too long. But I think doing it that way works. Mayhaps. So like if we just make the thing a little bit longer, right? Kind of lined up if possible. It's not even centered. Unacceptable. What kind of freaking crack am I on? Redonkulous, get out of here. No, unacceptable. No, no, no. Get your life together, me. Go away. Redonkulous. There we go, and now we can do that. That might have placed the wrong way. I was not paying attention. I think it was fine. Why must you hate us, Bridge? You know we're streaming and you're doing the thing. Why must you be a major douchebag? Wah 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 wah. Suck one. Seriously. You need to get your life together too, you frickin' douche. I can't see. That don't blow up. Alright, you want to be extra loud tonight. Alright. You can suck one. You're getting unplugged right away. You want to be extra loud. I was going to leave you be, but no. You want to be extra loud, you can piss right off, my dude. Once again, I get out of my chair, it goes quiet. It's like, oh, you're going to unplug me, I'll stay quiet. But I sit back down, it's like, nah, I'm going loud again. It just knows. It's a douche. Anyway. I think that's too far, right? Yeah, frick. Or maybe it's not too far, but more... Too steep and too long. So I need to bring this lower. I can bring it through here. I get, you know, actually that can work as a cool decoration. Can do that. So it's lined up. Man, okay. I should build with... And these are all the same price, so build with the frickin' 4. Duh. Okay, now, essentially, I'm just gonna keep testing to see... This is probably too far and too steep. Okay. Oh no, only too long. Only too long. Now we're getting somewhere. That can go away. Too long. It might be too steep if I increase out too much, though. But we'll see. That might make it too steep. Yeah, now it's too steep. Frick. Maybe this one will be just enough. It will. Look at it. Too long. That's fine. Okay. Now we're in business. Now we're talking. Kind of glitches in there, but that's fine. In that case, let's get rid of you. Get you out of the way. We're fine there. Why? Do that. There we go. I'm gonna have to curve it a little bit, but that's fine. I kind of like curve. Kind of curve it a little bit onto here. Like center it on that little piece. Oh, that just seems a bit redonkulous. Whatever. If you go past Criterion line, there is a nice gentle slope that the line could go down rather than having to traverse a cliff. Yeah, you're right. Oh, off I go. I was holding A. Yeah, Criterion line. Okay, off I go again. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Well, but I already set this up, so it's okay. Also, your freight platform is the wrong way. Oh, is it? Ah. Alright, we'll fix that in a minute. Let me get the train all connected up, at least. I'm definitely gonna change the thumbnail and stuff to like trains are confusing. Um. And what a frickin' turn this is about to be, but that's fine. It's not gonna be straight in any way, and my brain is gonna hate it every time, but you know, it's gonna work. That's, I guess, all that matters. That's too long? Yeah. I didn't need to do that. Kind of want to move them over now, so it's a bit more. Because it's just like, okay, we're coming up here. Oh, we got to turn. But in another sense, I kind of just want to get the train placed and be happy, you know? Be happy with it. It's fine, it'll still work. Looks like you built yourself a solution. I think I did. I'm gonna believe that's what I did, you know. It works, it's functional. It's not pretty in any way, but it works. And I guess that's good enough for me. So I will take that and have that be that, so. Just gonna do this. I don't even care at this point. As long as it works. It could look ugly. I'm just like, whatever, man. Okay. You're gonna be stupid. Alright, I see. Should maybe be able to fix this with a bit of more railage. Mayhaps. We just kind of go up a little more. Can you... Go away. And you. I don't know if that all mattered, but... Will that be fine? I don't know. Let's poke it through. It should still work. It's gonna look ugly like this, but I just don't even care. It's gonna work, I think, and that's all that matters here. Yep. Okay, and then, no, we can do this instead. That won't work. We can do mini ramp, baby ramp. There you go. That's enough. I think it's fine. It's just angry that it's clipping through the little cliff there. I hope it's fine. I'm going to trust that it is. It's very heavily clipped into stuff. But you know what? I think it works. And I'm gonna believe that it does. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of some of this. Because it no longer needs it. Make it look a little less ugly. You know, make it just kind of look like there's a track here. Maybe. I think removing some of this will definitely help it look a little less redonkulous. Maybe, you know, get rid of some of that too. There we go. Now it shouldn't be clipping into the... Yeah, there we go. Gaming, we're good. You know what? Here, this shirt. There, now you're not clipping either. Okay. Unless there's some real world, realistic physics here where the train goes over and just... Then I think we're good. I just gotta flip the, I just gotta flip the freight car platform around. I didn't realize these could be... Oh yeah, I see. Want that to be here so that we can then, you know, do some of this action. Yep. Oops. This has not been going, eh? How much power are we using now? I mean, we have about 100 extra power, so it's definitely gonna have to increase power even more next time. But not right now. Which is honestly fine. We absolutely can pretty easily. Wouldn't be all that hard. Isn't there a corner piece you could do? Well, that just don't work. There you go. Sure. Okay, it only took us 9,000 years, but we finally did it. Looking on the positives of things, you know? Milano. Frickin' the coal factory. This is a cool I don't know. Cool. Whatever. I just don't care anymore. I just want to do it and see if it works. Can we call the train over here? No. That'd be cool if you could. Also, this way it doesn't get yeeted out of existence. Probably want to put one of these boyos. That would probably help. There you go. Okay, we should be gaming and chilling now. So, Cole. What are you clipping? You're not clipping anything. What? What? Yeah, it's probably the ramp. It's fine. Don't need more steel, I guess. No, that's fine. Okie dokies. Let's... go do the thing, I guess. If I'm not mistaken, we should have hype to Bray. Eat. It's not a supersonic speed one. I never upgraded this one, but it's fine. It works. Oh, I should have. Well, it's fine. Whatever. Gotta get rid of the whole coal thing over there. Okay. You're damn right. I'm driving this thing. I'm driving. Open train menu, manual driving. How do I try? Turn on self-driving. I'm driving. Handles like a freaking boss. Careful, 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 yeah. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes. That's why you want to hit the brakes. Anyway. That's how you don't want to go full speed. Oh, look at that. It's real slow. But it's fine. That's unbelievably slow. Oh my lord. So, do we just have stuff now? I'm turning on self-driving. Train name. The Cosmo. And that's no, you know what? I got you. Jad's train. This is being named after you, friend. The Jad. I mean, you let me know what name you want. This you helped out a lot with this. This one's all you. You can have the name of this one. So is it just has... Oh, it just has... Cool. Look at that. Oh, what? Wait, what? What are you doing? Wait, what? What the frick? Is that how it removes the freighter? No. What? What? That did nothing. I don't know. Docking. What are you doing? Oh, it's putting... I think it's putting stuff into the container. That's what it's doing. Duh. Yeah, so it's gonna... There's still coal going in here. And then when we dock it, it's just filling up the container. Okay. I get it. Alright. Yeah. I see. I'll keep all that. Okay. Cool. Configure platform. Wow, that's gone. Load. Okay, so we want this to load. We don't ever want this to unload. So that's fine. And then we can switch the other train station. 98 items per minute. Could make that go even faster. If we do a splitter here, I can just double input and we're freaking speeding even more, but that's fine. This is phase 1 of the train, so we're chilling. I'm just gonna put it on self-drive. I don't think I should be driving. Locomotive has no time. Oh, time to. Space Boy. And coal. Locomotive should stay until at the station until one unload has been completed. Freight wagon is full. Or it can wait. Okay, one second. So 98 items per minute. So every, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 6, so 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 48. If we wanted to wait till this was full, we'd have to wait 48, roughly 48 minutes. But that wouldn't even fill that, is the thing. I am gonna do this. Just because we do need a lot of coal at a lot of times, so... Can I? Hello? Why? Why must you be stupid? Now you're... Okay, alright, we're doing this, are we? Alright. Whatever. You can look terrible then. You can be a freaking douche. I don't know. It's fine. I don't know what... There you go. Frick. Whatever, I'm just gonna do this. It works. That's all that matters. There you go. Doesn't have to look pretty. Gets the job done here. We can beautify it another time. There we go. Get you cranking. There we go. That's what we're talking about. And because we want to use even more power. Boom. There you go. Have some of that. Still 98 items per minute. I guess that really didn't help. What if we overclock you? 98 item. Oh, okay, well. Well, in that case, I stick to it looking pretty. Maybe that was working. I don't know. It's fine. Why though? I think I'm only gonna do a Mark III here. That's fine. I don't think we need supersonic. I mean, what, you know. Why not? We need coal. We like coal. There we go. We got lots of coal. I don't think this thing is accurate. Man, that's keeping up. So only if we overclock it. That's nice. Okay, I want to make sure we don't go over our coal needs is the thing. And we can do this by, we have 3 refineries, or sorry, 3 foundries. Let me just, if we take a look, steel ingot, let's see, it needs 45 coal per minute, right? So let's assume max, that takes like, I think a minute or 2 to get from here to there, is what it took us, roughly. And it's gonna come back, so 45 45 times 3 is 135. It's 135 coal per minute, and we're coming back with a lot more than that. So I think we're kind of chilling, and we can maybe diet down back to 3. Like, even that's still quite a lot, so. But then again, like, that's already preloaded, so. I'm gonna say we want like 5 stacks in here per minute. I would say. You know what? Screw it. There's no downside to not doing this. If it gets full, then the miner just goes into standby. This will fill to 100. You're getting like 200 stacks in all of a minute, so that's more than enough. $98 is the outgoing transfer rate, not the incoming. Oh. You right, you right. Makes sense. Don't mind me, just tiny brain. Alright. And then we'll set it. Okay. This one, let's see, unload. It only needs to unload here. Freight wagon is fully loaded or unloaded. So once this is fully unload only. Man, we don't need to do this, but there's only coal going into this one. Eventually I would like to pump in the... I plan to do the Caterium. I'm going to do that next time though. But for now I'm just going to do the coal. Where's the coal? There you go. That is at the other factory. I'm gonna rename that. I'm gonna do that. This should stay for the station at like, I don't know. Load. I'll just, I don't know if you need to, but yeah. And then we'll just do one load on the wagon is full. It doesn't need to be fully loaded. I don't think we need that much. So I think that's fine. Turn on, no, wait, we're not ready to leave yet. Wait, hang on. We're not yet. Okay. Hang on. Just double checking. Okay. So I think in the time it takes to send, go back and forth and load and unload, this will probably have at least a row full of coal, which is more than enough. So yeah, that's fine. All right. Also, we got an achievement. I wasn't paying attention to what that said, but. Alright, let's fill her up on coal and then we'll be done. Goes real slow. Good lord. And bada boom. Good stuff. Hang on. Something I always did in the Minecraft episodes that I would like. Oh well, that don't help. Gonna have to go a bit of shopping. Okay. We need big signs. This is ridiculous. You head out. Oh, turn on. Hey, yeah, you're docking. You don't need to dock though. There you go. Is it just gonna go full speed all the way back? Or is it gonna control speed? I know, it's just going full speed. Okay. Oh no, it stops. Ah, look at this. Yeah, it takes all it takes all of 10 seconds to get from there and back. Okay. Wait. I gotta configure the thing. Hang on. Might go back reverse. I'm gonna change this track here. It kind of bothers me that it's like curved in like that. I would kind of like it to be just a full-on. Definitely gonna change that. There you go. That's too far. In time, this train just will get more beautified and optimized and whatnot, but this is fine for now. This'll manage our temporary needs. And again, benefit, like if you don't want to do the whole platform thing, you can literally just do that and then connect, you know, and then just get rid of the platforms. Thank God you can do that. And then there you go. Okay, now we gotta configure this boyo. Unload. There we go. Where EOs? It doesn't have anywhere to go, right? So I have to probably help with that. It's okay if that's disconnecting that. Honestly, don't even need this. If we want to get over there, we just take the train now. Where are you connecting? Oh, frick. Wait, where, you were connecting something else. I didn't see what. Frick. Ah, frick. You were connected to that. I know that. I don't know what else, though. Wire too long. Whatever. Screw you. Douche. Okay, it's fine. Your first train will always be awful. There's a lot of learning to do. Yeah. Start off beginner mode. Always do. Unless you're like a super prodigy, in which case, you know, good gifts. It's good to have. Yeah. Don't need that anymore. Eventually I'm gonna route the Caterium into there, but again, that's a job for future us. This'll do for now. Save 20 power. There we go. So there's that done. It saves a bit of power doing that. There it is. Let's get rid of this now. Cool. Where were you being powered from? You're being also powered from that one. That's fine. Space Boys Factory. Nah, we need... I'm all about us. Wait, freaking get me out of here. I don't care enough about myself to name it after myself. The United Railways. Yeah, sure. I'll come up with a better name in the future, but it's good enough. Timetable. The Jad. Alright. Your train is en route and it works. Huge cave underneath you? Yeah, I know. I was told. I don't know how to get under there, though. There's an entrance somewhere. I just don't know where. I don't even know what is under there. Probably some Mercer spheres and some useful stuff, but it's a job for future us. Not that it needs that, but sure. Okay. So... now, we do this. It's never gonna load anything into there, so... there you go. Now, why did you do that one? I thought I pressed E. E. Douche. I think there is a hole near the copper depot. Gotcha. Over there. I see. I'm not gonna explore that tonight. I'm trying to just get this way. I'll definitely come up with a better, more fancy, cool name. Or something. Turn on self-driving. Yeah, okay. We didn't make any changes. Can I change the name from here? No. Freaking... set the freighter. Yeah, I know. I was getting to it. So when the freighter is active, this power will go up to like 1200-ish, probably a bit more. Especially when it's unloading, I guess. The railway built by you. This way whoever's watching can know it was built thanks to them. There you go. Okay. So that's that. Oh, I gotta set the thing. That would probably help. Set the freighter. Let me do that. Oh no, it's set to unload. Yeah. Train uses less power when it's going downhill. Yeah, I figured because it's probably, you know, it's not the train. It senses like, oh, okay, we're going downhill. We need to slow down. So. Okay, so it's on unload. So this one, and that, yeah, freight wagon is fully loaded or unloaded. So once it's unloaded, it'll go back to the thing. You're not unloaded. Oh, whatever, latest. You didn't you didn't unload the coal. It's set to unload. Maybe it had to restart. Maybe I had to do it manually. Well, what's the other one set to? It'll do stuff. Here, have some coal. How are you getting coal? Oh, you're still getting coal from over there. Okay. Honestly, you could probably get rid of that miner entirely now. Because I feel like with this, it's probably going to bring so much more coal than it is with that. But I don't know. Okay, you gonna do stuff, or? No, you're only gone. Are you gonna... Oh, there it goes. Look at that. That's cool. Oh, can we change the symbol, I wonder? Probably. And then, let's see. You don't have anything in you. Is that gonna collect anything? I feel like that's not gonna collect anything, like... I don't... Well, let me do this now. I don't know, I'm gonna do this. We have so much steel, there's no reason not to be at level 3. If it fills up, and then it's fine. Okay. Is the train gonna... Will the train come back? Oh, it has. It's loaded. Interesting. Now that we've built it, I understand it a lot more. Like, in the beginning, I didn't understand anything. It's one of those... Okay, wait. How much did you get? Wait. Let me see. Fine, screw you. Wow, you can't even view it while it's doing stuff? Interesting, so... The other one makes a container and pops it on there. Oh no, that just dumps it in. Okay. Beep beep. Holy frick, that's full. Okay, I tell you what, we're gonna do some of this action. Because it's going a little too fast now. Let me just... When it gets over here, we're gonna just end. Or it's gonna unload and just wait 30 seconds. Nope, save changes. Could set it to next station. What? Why is it next station? Oh. Why is there two there? What? Oh, there we go. Look at it go. It's on the jet is on the way back. Incoming. Oh yeah! Holy frick. I think we're chilling on coal should we ever need it. Oh, I think we're definitely full of coal. I don't... Well, frick, man. May need another, May need another container. We don't need this much coal. I think I can... I'm gonna... You know, I'm a hoverboard. Alright, one sec. It's gonna go edit yield, miner. Let me turn that down a bit. I don't think that needs to be overclocked. Could just cancel docking. I mean, it's fine. So I guess it waits 30 seconds first, or maybe that's full. I don't know. Look at us go. Okay, turning off self-drive for just a second. Let me have a look here. You can definitely stop being overclocked. $240 per minute, that should be more than enough. That's fine. Oh, I didn't even see. Was this full? I don't know. What are you doing? Is it broke because it... I was about to say, is it not docking because it's full? This one's not. This one's just set to load and unload. There's no time limit on this one. So. Ah, I can't take a screenshot whilst I'm in here. That's fine. Quickly! Thumbnail! Do the thing. Thumbnail! Do thumbnail. There we go. Okay, you can go back to... Oh, you weren't even all back. You weren't even back all the way. Interesting. Yeah, let me... I didn't mean to do that. Gonna go to frickin' 4 with this coal. Okay. Coal. Alright, cool. Now I've lost all the subscribers now from that. It's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna start upgrading. We have so much steel beams now. Problem was we didn't have enough steel beams. Now we have too much. Congratulations on your first working train. Thank you. Big preach. Thank you for the help, man. You did, although I was tiny brain, you know, not picking up certain things that you were saying, but you did help a lot. Hence why the train is named after you, so. If you want me to change the name, I will happily do so. If you have a better name, feel free, let me know. That's what I'm all about, you know. I like to incorporate people. I like to show my thanks. I like to let people know they're with us always. Okay, we can go empty our inventory now. Okay, I'm just gonna do one more thing and then I can end off. So on to next times, I think we can... I'm gonna connect... It should be easy. I'm just gonna connect up the Caterium. And then I can do another... Or I could do... Actually, I could do a smart splitter. Caterium go over there. And then... Yeah. And then we're chilling. Coupons. Right. Also, I guess next time I'll explore the old, the other thing. How much? 24? Ooh. I don't need that. Never gonna use the walkways, honestly. But sure, we'll keep them. We have 25. We would need 29 for that one. Unless I get rid of 5 more. I'll get rid of one of you. I'm never gonna use them. I'll probably use this one if I do. Add to cart.
Official Fix-It coffee cup unlocked. Do not purchase unauthorized Fix-It coffee cups. They have been known to explode and attract wasps. Unauthorized Fix-It coffee cups lower your attractiveness to your preferred gender and/or your sense of well-being if you have no gender attraction or preference.
Okay.
Official Fix-It products can be licensed for your use from official Awesome Shop installations only. Come to the best shop on the planet for the best deals on all official Fix-It supplies, guaranteed.
Okay. If you say so. Whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna make this extra hand slot so we can, have the coffee cup. What was it? It was like 30, 20? Oh, 50. Frick. It's fine, we have some mycelia, I guess. Not that I really want to use the mycelia, but we can shoink a little bit. It needs 5 per thing, so we need 100, so we need 40 more. Huh? Oh wait, no, 500, no, wait. We need 50, so... Yeah, 10. That's how much my brain just isn't working, I guess. Not enough space in inventory. Go away. I mathed wrong there somewhere, but it's fine. Gonna make some of this. Bond in next episodes. We're doing the things with the things. It's gonna be pretty cool. You can go away. We're gonna start working on third floor assemblers, or frickin' super assembler, or whatever madongers they're called. Oh, it's 3 AM. How about that? We're gonna be working on, what are these frickin' things called? Manufacturers. Alright, that's what they're called. I need more rotors, of course. Of course we do. It's fine, you can empty out the inventory whilst we're up there. Are you sure that's coffee? Nah, I'm not sure, but it's something. I can't even see it, so it's nighttime. I didn't throw the thing away, but that's fine. Just gonna go dump some stuff. Didn't need as many motors and stuff as. I'm also gonna do some minor exploration next time too, cause do wanna get a bit more sphere madongers so we can maybe get more wireless storage. That would be very helpful. More importantly, it'd be nice to be able to upgrade and have them be inserted a little faster. And also just have more stacks. That's also helpful too. And also gonna start off the episode probably with a quick little upgrade, which is fine. I should just be able to place a thing down for us, and we should be gaming. Okay. Slope. Yeah. That is almost full. We're gonna have to do that. That's how long we've been gone, I guess. Normally that's never full. Here, final few W's, I guess. Packager? Okay. There you go. There you go. And we'll go up real fast, grab some plastic and whatnot. Or actually, here. Can just grab plastic from there. Oh, apparently that doesn't go in there. Okay. I just gotta put the coupons in the... Yeah, it's all can go in the equipment stuff. Equipment box. There you go.
Tool belt expanded. The latest data indicates that the mycelia possess sentience. Don't worry, we have been given permission to harvest and repurpose their remains.
What am I smacking myself with it? What the... There we go. An object scanner, which you can make at the equipment workshop, will help you find Mercer spheres for next episode. Yeah, I have one. I just don't know where I put it. Oh, it's in here. I just haven't used it in a long time. Alright, it was in here. Did I accidentally throw it out like a freaking idiot? I did have one. I don't know where it went. I don't know. But yeah, we could just... Screws. Of all things we need, screws. Can we just maybe yoink a little thing of screws, mayhaps? Are you all It could overclock one of you even more. Honestly. No, that's taking too long doing that. Okay, I'm just gonna manually make screws. It's fine. I'll just, yeah, manually make screws. It's fine. I'm generally confused as to where my other object scanner went. I must have thrown it out or something. I don't remember. I remember I had one. I just don't know where. Cool. I don't think we're getting any more hand slots. I don't think we're ever gonna need the Xeno Basher, if I'm being honest. Nor do I think we'll ever need the chainsaw. Especially if we have bombs. But I don't think we don't need the Xeno Masher. It's fine. You can. I mean, it only takes up one slot in the inventory, but that's a valuable slot. There we go. Have to go. You go to the supermarket before the sun goes down. Go for it, man. I'm ending off anyway, so hey, shout out to you for helping us and being here. Big preach as always, my friend. Big preach. So, and yeah. Shout out to Wise Man. Shout out to Jay. Shout out to, wait, there is Ed. Ed was here. Wise Man. We had our friend Legendary, our new friend Legendary. Ever. And Mike. Shout out to all of you for being here, my friend. Catch you next time. Catch you next time. How big is this? Oh, very big. Crystal oxidizer. Alright, hang on. Last thing I'm gonna do is this. I don't know how much I can put on this, but need 5 of these. Oh, that's fine. We need more cables, of course we do. Of the things we're missing, cables. I think we have some in the chest upstairs, but I'm just gonna keep calling it a chest. Even though it's not. Small one? And it's fine. Sucks we can't put that there. Where do we put this? If that line wasn't there, that'd be a good spot. I'll put it up in storage. We're always by storage, so it'll be seen a lot at storage. Storage is probably my favorite area too, so best place to put it in the storage. Yeah, kind of little lineup what we got right here as well. Is okay. How dare you? Get out of here. You're blocking the awesomeness that's about to take place. Okay. Is that? That's fine. How much can we put on here? That's my question. Oh, it's a big one too. Awesome. Okay. Select icon. Yes. Select colors. I'll have to mess around with that a bit, but okay. Select text. Here you go. Shout out. Billboard. To the... Frick, I can't fit... to all of you! Frick. Gonna have to... Nope. Frick. Can I stack these, by the way? Probably not. Well, you can. That's fine. We can put it in smaller letters, so. I was testing. We did that. And I can only put a few names. That's fine. So maybe for the sake of, you know, everybody that keeps coming by and all, we'll do the smaller ones. Because then we can kind of fit more, yeah. Then we can kind of fit more names. You know? I don't know which one does that there, but background. Snowman. Well, that just looks a bit strange. Can I get rid of that? Can I backgrounds? There you go. None. Or that's fine. Okay, now I put some names. Frick. There's you. We got the wise mans. This is the shout out wall. We got the J-Bockers. Wait, hold on. We got the wise mans. Now let me space them. What am I doing? What am I even doing with my life? Oh wait, layout? Wait. Nope. Nope. I mean, I guess that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. I like that. Do you like that? Do you like that? Kind of makes the font a bit smaller though, which kind of sucks. The names are important, not necessarily that. Yeah, don't do that then. Yeah. Like, it's still there, and it still shows, it's just... Names are what matter here. The names of the peoples. Alright. We go the Ed. I used to do this in Minecraft, so kind of carrying out the, my little tradition, I guess, of shoutouts, pretty much. You know? I like to show people that J-Bockers, that we are thankful for them and that we remember them and that they are special to us. And that they will forever be on the boards. And I can kind of fit a, yeah, okay, that works. We can fit a bit of a cheeky little one there. Alright, am I forgetting? Alright, frick. It's fine, I'll just do another one. We did this. Shablowski. There we go. And then we can actually change the layout of this one to just the names. Because the symbol is right there, so. Or actually, I could do like a full 3x3 area and then have in the middle just the person with the heart. Save. Frick. What are you doing? Save. There you go. Can I get out? Get right. Go. You gotta hit the X button. Can't hit escape. Sack of garbage. One of these days I'll get used to it. No, no background. Or, I don't know. There you go. It's kind of cool. Monochrome, yeah. Bunch of dots. What is that? I don't know. I'll just keep that. That's cool looking. That doesn't really help, so. What if we do red? There you go. That kind of stands out. Alright. And then we go for Mike. Z-A-N. I can't see like their proper YouTube names. I just see freaking like their tags. Okay, maybe as cool as it looks, it kind of takes away from the names. The names are what matter here. I can always change it if they have a preference. So I could just put my, but until we see them next, that is the name I see. So we got you, we got you, we got the wise mans, we got, and then we got legendary. There we go. Cool. Nice. Good stuff. The wall of names. And that way, can I fit a little, No, I can't just like plop it on the floor. I'm gonna block the names if I do that. Redonkulous. Red. There you go. Shout out. Wall. Ah. Do that, and then we do, but the symbol, fine. The names are, oh, I gotta lay out, my bad. Frick. Hang on. Gotta do that, and then that, and then... Now it's all uneven. It's not centered anymore. Frick, man. Eh. Good enough. There you go. The names are what's important, and you got, you know, you can still see it. A little shout out wall right here. Basically. Can I, what if I stack? Oh, we can. But once again, kind of is gonna... It would kind of block. Yeah. Don't really want to do that. But there you go. Pretty cool. Now, we have the special names. Ow. Sounds like I'm just freaking... Anyway, there you go. On to next times on Dragon Ball Z. We is going to be, what's it called? It's gonna be a quick boost of power with fuel, and I say quick, like as in takes all of 2 seconds, because we have the second floor built. Literally just gotta put 2 things down. Maybe, actually, probably don't need, probably could just put another fuel thing down and we're good. So. 2, 4, 6, okay. So, gonna do that. Gonna go get some Mercer spheres, which we can now do with this, I forget, there we go. One is that way, got it. We need a lot of well, we don't need a lot, but it's a thing per chest, plus we need like 13. If we want to do the thing. Do the upgrade and whatnot. So.
Milestone reached. Avoid the embarrassment of placing liquids in your pockets only for them to spread across your suit. Package and unpackage them with the packager. Packaging fluids allows them to be transported in your inventory, on conveyor belts, and by vehicles. For increased, non-pocket related fluid storage, you can now use the industrial fluid buffer.
Okie dokies. Well, there you go. Apparently also no summer sloop nearby, but that's fine. Our main thing is the... Like, we want these upgrades. At the very least, we want these two. We don't need this one. So, 3, 6... Yeah. 50% deposit speed, and then an extra stack would also help out a lot, so... We do some of that. That would be nice. Also, next time I'm going to quickly run over to the same area and I guess put another constructor down. No, we don't have to. It's right here. We could just start filling it up manually. So, well, that's fine. All right. Like every so often, if I remember, I'll just throw them into a container. And then I'll just slowly fill that up, I guess. Or I can just craft them. I don't know. Like, I don't know if we'll ever need reanimated Sam. I don't know if it's just like, alright, devote them all to... Might as well devote them all to, you know, crafting. But I don't know. Reanimated Sam. Yeah, why not? There you go. Final victory, I guess. It's an acronym. It stands for something. I don't remember what, but... Reanimated Sam stands for something. Oh. What's that? Satellite portal. Okay, cool. Good stuff, man. And then we'll just do like purplish. There we go. Cool. And then, yeah. So, those 2 upgrades, we do that tomorrow. That should definitely help out quite a lot. Here we go. Gotta make sure to empty that every so often. This way it doesn't... I don't think it'll get backed up, but just to make sure. So, do that. Our main thing is to finally get these going. The modular thingamadongers. So, that's gonna be fun. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but... Well, we have to we have to put all those parts into one container somewhere around here and then bring it up, essentially. Which is fine. We can do that. We can do that. Don't know how, but we're gonna figure it out. Not that we need it. But here, I'll just put this back real fast. Okay. There you go. Cool. I'm liking how the factory is coming out. Very cool. So. Alright. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Enjoy your day and all night. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends and your family. Get them watching. Pretty cool. Trying to hit 1,000 subs before February. So feel free to do that. It's free. And you can see me mess up many times. And be a tiny brain in this series. And yeah, maybe Factorio in the future after this game. So that should be fun. But on that, once again, shout out to Jad, Jay, Ed, Mike, and Wiseman, and Legendary Ever for being with us today. And again, big appreciation to people that helped. So, you have a wonderful one now. Hey, bye. Oh yeah, feel free to also become a member. You can support channel that way too. Bye.